The pelican will transport the swimmers from here to the pool of your.
Eswa Mark lu atukot na ka Uganda Secondary School Sports Association imorikikina keda ekodet loda Eswa Mark lu abunget na ashoman keda Aboliasio kesi lolo apotu isipejo ikisi esemero ko Teso College aloet kanu anyun ejautenle esemero kangol.
So we are here. Our mandate is well defined. We have terms of reference. They are telling us, go to Teso College Aloet, verify what they put on the paper, matching with the data provided. So we are here to see. Swimming pool, yes. After that, we are here to document.
Aina petangun kesida poni tolo sitete kano anyun eipone loda ekapanakinor esemero IC page Aboliasio ngun.
Just like I've told you, Soroti is the central, the mother district in Teso, as well as the centrally located district in Teso. When these games are conducted here in Soroti, it means we shall have spectators or audience from as far as Karonaido, Katakwi, Serere, Bukira, all Teso should be able to access this event.
Ape jongin nesida poni itoloso kotoma osemero kedabo isha chie nuda epote ai ngarakine semero IC page Aboliasio ngun.
I want to appreciate TCA for showing interest in bidding for all these activities, not only one but 3 activities. That shows the sporting culture at this school. And I want also to appreciate your commitment, because you've tried to show us each and every corner of TCA and the neighboring institutions. So we appreciate you. So for us, as we go back, we are going to give a report of everything good.
Gabriel Esikukanuka TV East Koibuga Soroti.